Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with James Jackson. James is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, James.
No problem.
So today I want to talk to you about the concept of working together. Obviously, in the past, there's been claims that the past council didn't really work well together. They were butting heads. Maybe they had a couple public disputes. Moving forward, if elected, what would you do to limit this, and how would you personally address this problem?
One big word, it's called respect. As long as you have respect and treat people with dignity and pride, you know, listen to their values and their words and their values and their ideas. I don't have any personal agendas. Yeah, I'm the MS ambassador, but that's not really a personal agenda. That's publicly known, obviously. But I'm easy to get along with. Yeah. And I firmly believe that that's what we can do with this council, because the last council was just, they were all over the place, and so many pokes and jabs, hell, even lawsuits. So many. One of the biggest is, I've never in my entire life, and like I said, I've been in Queen's Park, Parliament Hill, and other places, towns and their councils, but I've never in my entire life seen so many private meetings. They have so many closed door council sessions. Why? Because of all personal dealings of all of them button heads.
Well, you know, certainly it's important that the town has a functioning town council. So certainly it sounds like you wouldn't be having any personal agendas or private meetings.
No. So. I'm an open and honest person. Ask me any question. What do you want to know? I'll tell you. I have no skeletons in my closet. As a matter of fact, my skeletons are out running around frolicking freely. I'll never be able to catch them.
That's funny. Well, thanks so much for airing some of those with
No
us
problem.
And your opinions. It's very important that the voter gets to see it. So thanks again. And if you'd like to see more of what James has to say, please do take a look at the links below. And thanks again for watching.